When we have flood claims and fire claims, we're out there immediately. When I say immediately, typically we always have to be out to the property within 48 hours of getting the phone call. We're a preferred vendor through a lot of insurance programs that have that stipulation on us that we're supposed to be out to the property within 48 hours of receiving the information of the claim. And we always do abide by that. However, when you have catastrophe events like we did, it was just 2 weeks ago, we had a catastrophe windstorm. Sometimes we will not be able to get to a property within 48 hours from receiving the phone call. But if somebody has a tree on their home or a hole in their roof or something, then we need to be over there immediately. Typically in those situations, when we get those kind of calls, we're out there within 12 to 24 hours. And if it's a true emergency, like a active water pipe that burst or a tree on top of a house, typically I would say we have somebody to the property within 4 to 8 hours of receiving the phone call.